with example 6, quadratic form. So you can see that the trigonometric equation now is in quadratic form, and you need to give the answer beta in one cycle from 0 until 2 pi. In this case, let's just use substitution. Let u as sine beta. So now we have u squared plus u equal to 2. And then let's bring 2 to the other side. So you'll get this equation here. And since we have quadratic, we can just factorize it. Now let's solve this separately. The first one is u minus 1 equal to 0. The next one is u plus 2 equal to 0. Now u is equal to 1. Let us back substitute. Sine beta is equal to 1. Then this is 90 degrees. For another one here, u now is equal to negative 2. So sine beta is negative 2. If you use calculator, this is math error because this is undefined. Okay, so the range for sine, it must be from negative 1 until 1 only. Therefore, beta here is no solution. Let's conclude the answer. Let's combine both of them. Therefore, the answer here, theta is equal to pi over 2. Now let's proceed with example 7 using identities. So this is your trigonometric equation right now. Now let's open up sine squared plus cos squared. This is equal to 1. And now we have 1 plus cos theta equal to 1. Now let's solve for cos theta. Bring 1 over here. So cos theta is equal to 0. So for cos theta is equal to 0, this is our answer, pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. So if you want to give general formula, the answer is pi over 2 plus 2 pi k. Another one is 3 pi over 2 plus 2 pi k. So this is your general formula. So now let's solve tangent to t is equal to 1 over sec 3 and give your answer in general formula. Now, what we need to know is, we need to look back at periodic for tangent. The periodic for tangent is just pi because if you draw the graph of tangent here, you have a asymptote line here, so this is the graph. This is one period which is pi. So be careful, when you want to do periodic for tangent, you must plus pi k. It's not 2 pi k as if what we have done with cos and sine before. So now let's solve this. Tangent to t is 1 over sec 3. So let's use calculator. Shift tangent 1 over sec 3. That is 30 degrees, which is pi over 6. So just write pi over 6 plus pi k. Now let's solve for t. Let's divide all of this by 2. So your answer for t is pi over 12 plus pi over 2k, where k is from integer. Since we have known the periodic for tangent, it's easier for us to solve this question here. So solve the equation in interval 0 until 2 pi. So this is your question here. So you can see that the numerator is sine plus sine and the denominator is cos plus cos. So we know that we can open up the formula here by using sum to product. So we have formula for sine plus sine, and then this will become 2 sine this angle here, cos this angle here, over for cos plus cos. Again, let's apply sum to product. You will get 2 cos this angle here times cos this angle here equal to 1 over sec 3. Now let's solve for this angle here. Both of them are the same, that is 2t, and this angle here is negative t. So you can see common term right now, 2 and 2, so we can cancel out, and then cos minus t and cos minus t can be cancelled out. So we are left with sine 2t over cos 2t. So let's solve this. This is tangent to t equal to your right hand side 1 over sec 3. So again, let's use your calculator right now. Shift tangent 1 over sec 3. So this is just pi over 6 plus pi k. Alright, be careful. This is just pi k, where k is integer. And to find t, let's divide everything with 2. So this is pi over 12 plus k pi over 2. Alright, where k is integer. So now let's conclude our answer. Let's give your answer in one cycle from 0 until 2 pi. So first of all, let's write k equal to 0. You'll get these 2 values here. And then let's put k equal to 1. You'll get 2 values here. You cannot write k equal to 2 because when we put k equal to 2, the angle will exceed 2 pi. So we'll stop up until here. So these 4 here are our solution.